Hey guys, me and Brittany are at Big Dog's Grill, and it is hot wing time. I am addicted to hot wings, and it's pretty crowded today. It's Saturday night, and you can see the scene here is really loud. Football's on, Brittany's there, and it's weird being in, because I don't really like being in crowded places that are loud, but it's worth it because the wings here are really good. So yeah, but it's good during like Steeler games. That little kid behind me keeps looking at me. What else would you be doing? Delicious. Must be a pretty big honor to get a Halloween costume made in your likeness. If the situation has one. Go, go, Power Rangers! Look, it's a family reunion. Whoa. I don't think I can handle that. He's like trying to get out. I don't like this. Holy crap. He's like trying to break out. He's having a seizure. I've always wanted a remote control Sasquatch.